Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're passionate about health and fitness, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to share with you the top 11 foods that will supercharge your bone health and help restore any bone loss. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your favorite bone-strengthening food. Alright, let's dive in. First up, we have dairy products. Milk, cheese, and yogurt are packed with calcium, which is essential for strong bones. Just 1 cup of milk can provide nearly 30% of your daily calcium needs. Plus, they're delicious and versatile. Next, let's talk about leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and collard greens are not only loaded with calcium but also contain vitamin K. Vitamin K is crucial for bone metabolism and helps improve bone density. So, toss them into your salads, smoothies, or stir-fries for a bone-boosting meal. Third on the list is fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium more efficiently, making it a double win for your bones. Aim for 2 servings of fatty fish per week. Up next, nuts and seeds. Almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are excellent sources of magnesium and phosphorus. These minerals play a vital role in maintaining bone structure and strength. Sprinkle them on your yogurt or oatmeal for an extra crunch and nutritional boost. Number 5 is eggs. Eggs are a great source of vitamin D, especially the yolks. Incorporating eggs into your diet can help improve your bone health. Plus, they're incredibly versatile and can be cooked in numerous ways. Sixth, we have tofu and tempeh. These plant-based proteins are rich in calcium and can be a great addition to your diet, especially if you're vegan or lactose intolerant. They're also packed with protein, which is essential for muscle and bone health. Next, let's not forget about oranges. Oranges and orange juice are high in vitamin C, which is necessary for collagen formation. Collagen is a protein that helps maintain the structure and strength of your bones. A glass of orange juice in the morning can set you up for a bone-healthy day. Eighth on the list is sweet potatoes. These tasty tubers are loaded with potassium and magnesium. Potassium helps neutralize acid in your body, which can otherwise leach calcium from your bones. Magnesium, as we mentioned earlier, is crucial for bone health. Number 9 is beans. Beans like black beans, white beans, and lentils are great sources of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. They are also rich in fiber and protein, making them a wholesome addition to your meals. 10th, we have prunes. Prunes are known for their ability to improve bone density. They contain boron and vitamin K, which are essential for bone health. A handful of prunes a day can make a significant difference. And finally, last but not least, whole grains. Whole grains like quinoa, barley, and oats are rich in magnesium. Swapping out refined grains for whole grains can help provide you with the essential nutrients your bones need. And there you have it, folks. The top 11 foods that will help you build and maintain strong, healthy bones. Remember, a balanced diet combined with regular exercise is key to bone health. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with more health tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.